third FDA advisor has now resigned after the approval of Biogen's Alzheimer's drug. Meg Terrell is following the story for us and has the latest details. Meg.
Hey, Kelly. Well, of course, this happened on Monday, and on its face, you'd think the first Alzheimer's drug approved in 18 years would be nothing but good news that everyone would be happy about. But this is, in fact, a tremendous controversy in the scientific and medical worlds, and it's all because of the data behind Biogen's Alzheimer's drug and the fact that back in November, FDA's panel of outside advisors is the same kind of panel that met around the COVID vaccines, you'll remember. A different one met for this drug and almost unanimously voted against it based on the data that Biogen had from its clinical trials. The vote count was 10 no's, 1 uncertain, and 0 yeses, saying that there was enough data to really support approval of this drug. And so now you have the third member of this FDA advisory committee, Aaron Kesselheim from Harvard Medical School, yesterday saying that he was quitting this panel, essentially saying, as you said, this is probably the worst drug approval decision in U.S. history, and pointing out it's not clear that the FDA is presently capable of adequately integrating the committee's scientific recommendations into its approval decisions. 2 other advisors we've reached out to who quit this week had similar sentiments. And I've reached out to some other committee members too, Kelly, to see what they're thinking about it. One got back to me and said he's staying on the committee, but he's pretty upset.
This is seeming more and more strange as you read through it and learn the details. Like you said, that it's rare for them to overturn this kind of outside. It's rare for them to do it in the first place. Only happens about 20% of the time, but usually the vote's closer than this one was. So why now? Why for this Alzheimer's drug? The ALS community is saying, well, why not for us? You know, and the guy who quit this week, I think, also was upset about the Duchenne muscular dystrophy drug. So perhaps there is some precedent for acting this way, but this particular decision seems more and more out of the ordinary.
Yeah, you know, you've done a lot of research on this. That's why I love you. This same committee dealt with this Duchenne muscular dystrophy drug a few years ago. That's from Sarepta. And it was a similar situation where the clinical data were really not clear, but there was a much closer vote from the committee. This one was almost unanimously against this Alzheimer's drug. There's also just millions of patients who could take this drug, and Biogen priced it at $56,000 a year. And so there's a key question about the kind of spending that will happen on this drug as a result of the decision. Why this one got through is another question. I've talked with people who are wondering, you know, what happened, and the fact that obviously some folks within the FDA believe that this was the right decision and went forward with it. But some are very concerned about the direction of the agency.
Yeah, with now this third resignation, I think we're going to start to do, you know, and hat tip to Statin News for their great work that they always do in explaining these to us, and for you as well. Mike, thank you so much.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.